Hello, ISG community. My name is Mrs. Wings, and I'm very excited to invite you to next week's Parent Readers Workshop. This is an event that's happening on Tuesday, February 12th from 2 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Now, this is the first time we've ever done anything like this, so I just wanted to give a brief overview of what this event will look like. Workshop always begins with a mini lesson. For the Parent Readers Workshop, parents will go to the B classroom in the grade level in which they have a child. So if you have a first grader, you will go to the 1B classroom. If you have a fourth grader, you will go to the 4B classroom. And the teachers will teach you a strategy that you can use when reading with your own child. Then we move into the independent work time. And during this time, you will go and read with your child, practicing the strategy that you were taught in the mini lesson. You will have some time to read with your own child and also some time to read with other children. Then workshop always ends with a share time or a reflection time. For the Parent Readers Workshop, we will all gather in the MPR, and this will be a time when we can ask questions, clarify some thinking, or just reflect on the lesson that you were taught. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please contact me, Mrs. Wings. I hope to see you on Tuesday.